The position of attention. The weapon is held on the right side of the body with the stock rocked back on the heel of the weapon next to the seam of the trousers and even with the toes. The weapon will be grounded to the right side of the footwear. The right hand will be flared with the forefingers extended and adjoined along the same track as the weapon. The thumb will be gripping the back of the upper handguard on the opposite side of the stock, pinned along the seam of the trousers and not visible from the front. Be sure to maintain control of the weapon at all times. If at any time you make a mistake, ceremoniously adjust your rifle by moving very slowly. Beasting is the audible sound made from an abrupt movement of the hand striking the weapon. By the numbers. Left, haste.
1,
Ready, move.
2,
Ready, move.
3,
By the numbers. Right, haste.
1,
Ready, move.
2,
Ready, move.
3,
Left, haste. Right, haste. On the command of execution, briskly move the left foot 6 to 8 inches to the left with an audible stomp. On count 2, bring both hands along with the rifle to the front center line of the body, countering the weapon on its toe approximately 90 degrees counterclockwise. The sling should still be facing to the left. Simultaneously, the right hand slides up the handguard just under the front sight post. The weapon remains towed and in line with the right foot. By the numbers. Stand at ease.
1,
Ready, move.
2,
Stand at ease. When the command of stand by is given, remove the right hand from the rifle and lower it into a flare. Upon the command of colors, move the left hand to the small of the back with an audible slap. Simultaneously counter the weapon clockwise and forward to a 45-degree angle, resting on the toe of the rifle. The weapon will be in line with the right shoulder and the arm will be fully extended. On the command of attention, sharply return to the position of attention, maintaining silence and immobility. Stand by! Colors! Tench, hut! Count 1. Lift the rifle with the right hand directly up the front center line of the body, going from a flare to a fist with the right hand. Simultaneously beast the rifle with the left hand so the middle finger is on the first groove of the handguard. On count 2, move the right hand from the top of the stock to the small of the stock, following the same track of the weapon and grip it with a fist. The rifle should be 4 inches or a fist-length distance away from the sternum. Left eye is covered by the rifle, and the right thigh is covered by the butt of the stock. By the numbers. Port, horns.
1,
Ready, move.
2,
Order arms is a 5-count movement. On count 1, release the left hand from the handguard and pin to the left side. The weapon will remain at proper port arms. Count 2. Return the left hand to the lower handguard, beasting the weapon at port arms. Count 3. Release the small of the stock with the right hand and beast the upper handguard with a fist. The forearm is at a 45-degree angle. The weapon remains at proper port arms. Count 4. Sharply lower the weapon to a 45-degree angle next to the right leg. The left hand is flared with the thumb tucked. Index finger and middle finger tips are splitting the knuckle of the right thumb. The trigger housing of the rifle is directly beside the knee. Both elbows are fully extended with the rifle in line with the right shoulder. Sharply return the rifle to the position of attention on count 5, with the right hand going from a fist to a flare along the side of the stock. The left arm simultaneously moves to the colors ready cut position. Slowly adjust to ground and tow the weapon. Do not slam the rifle on the ground.
By the numbers. Order. Arms.
1,
Ready. Move.
2,
Ready. Move.
3,
Ready. Move.
4,
Ready. Move.
5,
Colors. Ready. Cut. Port. Arms. Order. Arms. Colors. Ready. Cut.
Present arms from attention is a 3-count movement. Counts 1 and 2 will bring the rifle back to the correct port arms position. Count 3 will rotate the weapon 90 degrees clockwise with the right hand. Release the left hand to shoulder level at 90 degrees with hand in a fist and count. Simultaneously bring the weapon down the front center line of the body, beasting with the left hand once the rotation is complete. The weapon will be approximately a fist or 4 inches away from and parallel to the body, with the front sight post at eye level.
By the numbers. Present. Arms.
1,
Ready. Move.
2,
Ready. Move.
and 3,
By the numbers. Order. Arms.
1,
Ready. Move.
2,
Ready. Move.
3,
Ready. Move.
4,
Ready. Move.
5,
Colors. Ready. Cut. Present. Arms. Order. Arms. Colors. Ready. Cut.
Right shoulder arms is a 3-count movement. Count 1. Lift the rifle with the right hand directly up the front center line of the body, going from a flare to a fist with the right hand. Simultaneously beast the rifle with the left hand so the middle finger is on the first groove of the handguard. The and count. Lower right hand down the same track as the weapon to the butt of the stock, with the thumb on the side closest to the rifle guard's leg and the forefingers closed and in line on the side away from the leg. Count 2. Right rifle guard flicks the rifle approximately 90 degrees counterclockwise. Simultaneously bring the left hand to a flare with middle finger at the first groove of the handguard. The left forearm should be at about a 45-degree angle. The right arm should be fully extended with the right elbow pinned along the side of the body. Count 3. Keeping right elbow pinned to the side, raise forearm so that it is parallel with the ground, and the elbow is at an approximate 90-degree angle. Allow the rifle to fall onto the right shoulder. The weapon should rest on the shoulder at a 45-degree angle. Simultaneously, the left hand reposition itself so that the index finger and middle finger tips are splitting the left corner of the receiver where the receiver number is located. At this point, you will wait for the colors ready cut command.
By the numbers. Right shoulder. Arms.
1,
Ready. Move.
and 2,
Ready. Move.
3,
Colors. Ready. Cut. By the numbers. Order. Arms.
1,
Ready. Move.
2,
Ready. Move.
3,
Ready. Move.
4,
Ready. Move.
5,
Colors. Ready. Cut. Right shoulder. Arms. Colors. Ready. Cut. Order. Arms. Colors. Ready. Cut.
To the left, right shoulder arms is a 3-count movement. Count 1. Lift the rifle with the right hand directly up the front center line of the body, going from a flare to a fist with the right hand, simultaneously beasting the rifle with the left hand. The and count. Bring the right hand off of the upper part of the handguard down to the small of the stock, following the same track of the weapon. Count 2. The right arm will bring the weapon across the midsection of the body to a 45-degree angle in front of, but not resting on the left shoulder. The left hand will go to a flare along the outside of the rifle with the base of the left palm on the upper handguard. Left hand and upper handguard are directly over the ear. The left thumb will not support the weapon. The left forearm will be pressed tightly against the weapon. Count 3. Place rifle onto the left shoulder using the right hand. Simultaneously lower the left hand and grasp or beast the butt of the rifle. When the left hand grasps the butt of the rifle, the right hand should automatically come to a flare, with the right index and middle finger splitting the right corner of the receiver. The left forearm should be parallel with the ground, left elbow at approximately a 90-degree angle, and the right forearm should be at a 45-degree angle. The guard will then wait for the command, colors, ready, cut.
By the numbers. To the left. Right shoulder, arms.
1
Ready, move.
and 2,
Ready, move.
3,
Colors. Ready, cut. By the numbers. Order, arms.
1,
Ready, move.
2,
Ready, move.
3,
Ready, move.
4,
Ready, move.
5,
Colors. Ready, cut. To the left. Right shoulder, arms. Colors. Ready, cut. Order, arms. Colors. Ready, cut. Present, arms. Right shoulder, arms. Present, arms. To the left. Right shoulder, arms. Right shoulder, arms. Colors. Ready, cut. Present, arms. Right shoulder, arms. Order, arms. Colors. Ready, cut. To the left. Right shoulder, arms. Colors. Ready, cut. Present, arms. To the left. Right shoulder, arms. Order, arms. Colors. Ready, cut.